Hello friends, welcome in today's lecture. Today we will see what is the key event class, what is the mouse event class, what is the text event class and what is the window event class. First see what is the key event class. Key event is generated when the key on the keyboard is pressed or released. Means the key event is generated when the keyboard key is pressed or released. There are three types of the key event which are identified by these integer constants, and these constants is nothing but key pressed, key released and key typed. These three are the constant, integer constant. Key pressed, this event is generated when the key is pressed. Key released event, this event is generated when the key is released. And key typed, this event is generated when the key is typed. Means the first two events, that is key pressed and key released, are generated when the key is pressed or released. And the last event, that is key typed, occur when the character is generated. So key pressed, key released and key typed, these are the integer constant. Next see some other constants of the key event. Many other integer constants that are defined by the vk alt, vk down, vk left, vk right, vk cancel, vk enter, vk page down, vk shift, vk control, vk accept, vk page up and vk up. These are the integer constants of the key event. And vk constant specifies the virtual key code. So vk is nothing but the virtual key code. The event, that is key event, is generated when the key on the keyboard is pressed or released. Next see the constructors of the key event class. The key event class constructor having 6 parameters. First is component source, second parameter is int type, third parameter long vain, fourth parameter int modifier, fifth parameter int code and sixth parameter character ch. The key event class constructor having 6 parameters. First is component source. The source is a reference to the object that generated this event. Means source is nothing but the reference of the object that generate the event. Second parameter is int type. It is nothing but the type of the event and that specified by the type. Third parameter is long vain. The system time at which the key is pressed is passed in the vain. Means it is nothing but the time that which key is pressed, and that time is passed into the parameter vain. Fourth parameter is int modifier. The modifier argument specifies when modifiers were pressed when this key event is occurred. Fifth parameter is int code. Int code is nothing but the virtual key code and that is passed into the code. Sixth parameter is character ch. The character equivalent is passed in ch. If no valid character is exist, then ch contains the char undefined, and for key typed event code will remain vk undefined. Means the character ch, in that we pass the, if the no character is valid in the character exists, then the ch contains the char undefined parameter. And the key event is a subclass of the input event. Means the key event class is a subclass of the input event class. The constructor of the key event class having 6 parameters: component source, int type, long vain, int modifier, int code and character ch. Source is nothing but the reference to the object that particular event is generated. Int type is nothing but the type of the event, means type pressed, released or key typed. Third parameter is long when. It is nothing but the system time at which the key is pressed. Int modifier. This argument specifies which modifier were pressed. Fifth parameter is int code. It is a virtual key code. And sixth parameter is char ch. It is a character equivalent and that is passed into the ch. Next, see the methods of the key event class. There are two methods of the key event class. First method is get key char and second method is get key code. See the first method, char get key char. This method returns the character when a key is pressed. Means the get key char method returns the character that was entered. And return type of the get key char is character. And second method is get key code. This method returns the key code. And it returns the value, it is in a integer. These two are the methods of the key event class. Get key char and get key code. Next, see the what is the mouse event class and use of the mouse event class. The mouse event occurs when the mouse action occurs in a component. It reacts for the both mouse event and mouse motion event. The mouse event is generated when the mouse is dragged, moved, clicked, pressed, released, enter or exit from a component object. That time mouse event is occur. And mouse event is react for both mouse event and mouse motion event. Mouse event means when the mouse event occur, first when a mouse button is pressed, a mouse button is released, a mouse button is clicked, a mouse cursor enters a component and the mouse cursor exits a component. That time the mouse event is occur. And when the mouse motion event is occur, first mouse is moved or mouse is dragged. That time the mouse motion event is occur. So mouse event generated when the mouse is dragged, moved, clicked, pressed, released, enter or exit from the component object. And mouse event reacts in both condition. First mouse event and second is mouse motion event. When mouse is pressed, mouse is released, mouse is clicked, mouse cursor enters a component and mouse cursor exits a component, that time mouse event is occur. And when mouse is moved and mouse is dragged, that time mouse motion event is occur. There are 8 type of mouse event. Mouse event class define the following integer constant. These 8 are the mouse event. First is mouse clicked. This event occur when the user clicked the mouse. Second is mouse dragged. This event occur when the user dragged the mouse. Third is mouse entered. This event occur when mouse entered a component. Fourth is mouse exited. This event occur when the mouse is exited from a component. Fifth is mouse moved. This event occur when the mouse is moved. Mouse pressed. This event occur when the mouse is pressed. Seventh is mouse released. This event occur when mouse was released. And last 8 is mouse wheel. This event occur when the mouse wheel was moved. These 8 are the type of the mouse event. First is mouse clicked, second is mouse dragged, third is mouse entered, fourth is mouse exited, fifth is mouse moved, sixth is mouse pressed, seventh is mouse released, and 8 is mouse wheel. These are the mouse event. Next, see the constructor of the mouse event class. Mouse event class is a subclass of the input event class and it uses the constructor having 8 parameter. Mouse event constructor having 8 parameter. First is component source, second parameter is int type, third parameter is long ven, fourth parameter is int modifier, fifth parameter is int x, sixth parameter int y, seventh parameter int clicks, and eighth parameter boolean triggers pop-up. The component src, it is an source. It is nothing but the reference to the object that a particular event is generated. Means source is a reference to the object that generated the event. Second parameter is int type. It is a type of the event is specified by the type. Long ven, it is a system time at which the mouse event occurred is passed into the ven parameter. So long ven, it is a system time at which the mouse event is occurred. Fourth parameter is int modifier. The int modifier argument specifies which modifier were pressed when this mouse event is occurred. Int x and int y. These coordinator of the mouse are passed in the x and y, and the click count is passed in the clicks. Means the parameter int x and int y, this nothing but the coordinates of the mouse, and that will be passed into the x and y parameter. And the parameter int clicks, it is a click count, and that passed in the clicks. The trigger pop-up flag indicates if this event causes a pop-up menu to appear on this platform. This is the constructor of the mouse event class. Next is the methods of the mouse event class. There are three methods of the mouse event class. First is int get x, second method is int get y, and third method is int get click count. The method int get x and int get y method returns the x and y coordinates of the mouse within the component when the event is occurred. Means this method returns the x and y coordinates of the mouse when the event is occurred. The int get x returns the horizontal x position of the event relative to the source component, and int get y method returns the vertical y position of the event relative to the source component. The third method is int get click count. This method returns the number of mouse clicks. These three are the methods of the mouse event class. So the mouse event is generated when the mouse action occurs in a component, and it reacts for the mouse event and mouse motion event. Next, see what is the text event class. The text event is generated when the value of the text area or text field is changed. This event indicates that object text is changed. Text events are defines the integer constant, that is text value changed. Means the text event is an instance of the class that describes the text event, and these are generated by the text field and the text area when the characters are entered by the user or the program. And the class text field defines the integer constants, that is text value changed. Next is the constructor of the text event class. The text event class having one constructor, that is text event. Parameter is object, source, and int type. The source is a reference to the object that generated the event, and the type is a type of the event that is specified by the type. The text event object does not include the characters currently in the text component that generated the event. So the text event is generated by the text field and text area when the characters are entered by the user or program. Next is the methods of the text event class. There is one method of the text event class, that is param string. and this method returns the string value. It returns the parameter string identifying this text event. Next, see the fields of the text event class. The text event class having three fields, that is text first, text last and text value changed. The text first event, this returns the first number in the range of IDs used for the text event. Text last, this field used for the last number in the range of ID used for the text event. And the field text value changed, this event ID indicates that object text changed. These three are the fields of the text event class. Text first, it is nothing but the first number in the range of ID used for the text event. Second field is text last, this is a last number in the range of the IDs used for the text event. And text value changed field, this event ID indicates that object text changed. Next, see what is the window event class. The window event generated when the window is activated, deactivated, closed, opened, iconified, deiconified or about to be closed. That time window event is occur. This is an event that indicates that a window has changed the state. Window event class defines the following integer constant that can be used to identify them. First event is window activated. This event occurs when the window was activated. Second event is window closed. This event occurs when the window has been closed. Third event is window closing. This event occurs when the user requested that window to be closed. Fourth event is window deactivated. This event occurs when the window was deactivated. Fifth event is window deiconified. This event occurs when the window was deiconified. Next event is window gained focus. This event occurs when the window gained input focus. Next is window iconified. This event occurs when the window was iconified. Next event is window lost focus. This event occurs when the window lost input focus. Next is window opened. This event occurs when the window was opened. And last, window state changed. This event occurs when the state of the window is changed. These are the integer constants that used in the identify the particular window event. And the window event is generated when the window is activated, deactivated, closed, opened, iconified, deiconified or about to be closed. That time the window event is occurred. Next is the constructor of the window event. There are four constructors of the window event. First is window event having parameter window source and int type. Second constructor is window event having three parameter window source, int type and window other. Third constructor is window event having four parameter window source, int type, int from state and int to state. And fourth constructor is window event having parameter window source, int type, window other, int from state and int to state. These four are the constructors of the window event. The source is a reference to the object that generated this event. The type, it is a type of event that is specified by the type. The other parameter specifies the opposite window when a focus or activation event occurs. The from state parameter specifies the prior state of the window and the to states parameter specifies the next state of the window. These four are the constructors of the window event class. Next, see methods of the window event class. There are four methods of the window event class. First is get opposite window. Second method is get new state. Third method is get old state, and fourth method is get window. First, see what is the use of the get opposite window method. Get opposite window method returns the other window involved in this focus or activation change, and this method return type is window. Second method is get new state. This method returns the new state of the window. Third method is get old state. This method returns the previous state of the window. And fourth method is get window. The get window method returns the object that generated the event. These four are the methods of the window event class.